Shopping for flooring just got easier with shopping at home with a flooring specialist. Yes, it's that easy. Just call and schedule an appointment, and the flooring specialist will bring samples right to your home. You'll get to examine the flooring, see how it looks, feel the texture and weight of it, hear what it sounds like when you walk on it, or see what happens when you drop a plate on the floor. So what makes shopping at home better? A lot can go wrong when calculating the amount of flooring you'll need for a particular room or whole floor online. Plus, you won't have the issue of the flooring looking different than it did in the showroom. Here are 3 common instances you may face when shopping for new floors. The lighting in your home will naturally make the floor extremely different than it did under the fluorescent lighting in the showrooms. Furniture, colors, and patterns within your home may often clash with your favorite floor samples. And the size of the room or floor level can sway your desired pattern or design flooring choices. Start to finish, it's really up to you. You owe it to yourself to make the selection process as easy as possible. That's why so many people shop at home and then opt for a floor installation service. Shopping for flooring from your home is one of the easiest parts of home improvement, so don't miss out. At Flooring Direct, we're here to help. Choose the flooring that best suits your needs. Visit Flooring Direct for the new high-quality floors you've been dreaming of. Call us to schedule your free estimate today.